Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel, welcome to Creative to School. My name is Vincent. I received a question. Someone asked how to install Canon Print app. Canon Print app, the application you need for you to connect Canon printer with your mobile device for you to be able to print wirelessly with your mobile phone. So what you need to do is you need to go to Play Store. Play Store. We are doing this with Android phone. Go to Play Store. Then go at the bottom of the app, go at the bottom of the Play Store, type Canon Print app. Canon Print app. Select on it. It will show you Canon Print. Canon INC 4.6 star, 736K reviews, 50 million plus downloads. So you select install. And now it's getting ready. This app is free. We are downloading this on Android and it's downloaded, it's installed. So open the app. Now scroll down, agree to terms and condition. Select agree. Then select OK. Storage and precise the location and nearby device. You need to select OK on it. Allow Canon Print to access this device location, precise or approximate. So it's showing us precise location, and I'm going to select why using this app. You also have option for you to select only this time or do not allow. But if you select do not allow, you won't be able to see the printer. So I'm going to select the first option, why using this app. Allow Canon Print to find and connect and determine the relative position of nearby device. Select allow. Allow Canon Print to access photo and video on this device. So I'm going to allow this if you want to print photo. So select allow. To receive notification from Canon, tap on the next screen. Canon Print to send notification is not compulsory. So I'm going to disallow for notification. Now this is the app. So you need to search for available printer. So you select search. And it will start to search for available printer. Or on the button, you can also select add or switch. So it's currently searching for nearby printer within the home, and the printer is found. So it's added the printer that is on the network AMG 3600 series. So we got a printer now that is available. So tap here. So it will show you the printer information, Canon AMG 3600 series. You can also check the utility and etc. So this is how to add Canon Print app, then add the printer to the app. So from this app now, you can print documents, print photo, scan document, smartphone copy, cloud copy, creative pack, and create photo image. If you want to print document, then you select print document. You can print document or photo or cloud service document or cloud service photo. Once you select the document, it would go to the file for you to select the document you want to print out. This is good example, letter example. Select the letter example. Then select OK. Select OK. Now it's converting. Now, if you want to print this document out, then you select next. It will ask you print range. This is 3 pages document, but I want us to print only page 1. So select current page 1 to 1, 1/1. Then you select OK. It will ask you the paper size, and it picked up paper size as A4. You go on top, change setting, select change setting. You select how many copies, paper size, and paper size is A4. Paper type, plain paper, color mode, color, duplex printing. I'm going to select simplest. If you want to print double-sided, then you select two-sided long edge or two-sided short edge. The simplest is 1 page document, simple document, just 1 page. Then you go back, then select print. Now this document is printing. Printing is completed. So it will show you, then you select OK, that the printing is completed. Then you select yes, then you go back to the app. So this is the app here. So this is how to connect this printer, Canon Pixima, to your mobile device, and how to install Canon Print app on your mobile phone, then print out a document. The printer we are using is Canon Pixima MG 3600 series. We printed out this document. Thank you very much indeed.